In my anguish I called to the Lord, and from his holy temple he heard my voice. In these words from Psalm 18, we capture the feelings of so many people. I cannot tell you how many people I meet in my ministry who have lost a child, lost a spouse, a parent, a loved one, and they're in anguish. They do not know how to deal with it. Well, we can turn to the Lord's life and see how he dealt with it. We find his response in the Garden of Gethsemane. He was in anguish, but he turned to the Lord and said, if it be possible, let this cup pass from me, but not my will, but yours be done. He gave us the template as to how we can arrive at peace through the journey of anguish. In your prayer time, reflect on the Lord's openness to that reality in his life.